हिंदुस्तान सोने की चिड़िया थी। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विकसित भारत। हिंदुस्तान में आज के दिन में रोटी कपड़ा मकान ही शॉर्टेज नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी शॉर्टेज है वो है कैपिटल की।
What is wrong with our startups? Where do they falter to monetize?
इंडिया में रफली देर आर 1,80,000 स्टार्टअप्स एज पर रजिस्ट्रेशन विच हैज हैपेंड। 6.3 करोड़ एमएसएमई रजिस्टर्ड है। हमारे यहाँ रिसेंटली जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ, आई थिंक मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन इन काउंटर अटैक वाज बाय सम ऑफ द लीडिंग स्टार्टअप्स जिनके नाम पब्लिक डोमेन में लोग लेते भी नहीं है बिकॉज उनको पता नहीं है।
Country has got an amazing capacity to bounce back.
We have the capacity to become the second largest economy. So as a forum can give you a platform where there are experienced people with lot of clarity. So you will find lot of senior people here who are carrying these raw materials of clarity and experience. ये आपके पास अगर आ जाता है ना, so the youngsters who have joined Masa, they will not make mistakes, or rather they'll make very, very less mistakes. So I think Masa can help them to know that they do not know and help them to empower themselves with regard to the right direction.
अब NASA के बाद Masa. Hello and namaskar everybody. This is Abhinav Chaturvedi here and you're watching My Power Brand. And this is a show where the voices that empower, the stories that inspire, where real power speaks, featuring icons, business leadership, media, social impact, stories of grit, glory and growth. And today we have with us, हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं हमारे विक्रम सराफ, BCom FCA फाउंडर, वैल्यू एक्सेस इक्विटी। विक्रम, आपका स्वागत है on this wonderful program called My Power Brand. बुनियादी सवाल आपसे, विक्रम, आपको क्या जरूरत पड़ी इस जगह आने की, इस इंडस्ट्री को ज्वाइन करने?
First of all, thank you, Abhinav Saab. I had been following you since long, and I'm a chartered accountant, and finance has been something which is there in my heart and soul. और I have always been a good student in economics. मैं स्कूल में भी टॉपर था, और इकोनॉमिक्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो मेजरली लोगों को लगता है कि ये थियोरेटिकल है, बट अगर आप बहुत डीप डाइव करोगे तो इसमें देयर इज लॉट ऑफ फन, लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग, स्पेशली फॉर ए कंट्री लाइक आवर्स जो डेवलपिंग है और जो हम लोग डेवलप नेशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं। थियोरेटिकली बात करते हैं, हिंदुस्तान सोने की चिड़िया थी। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विकसित भारत, बट दैट इज समथिंग विच इज रिसेंटली थॉट प्रोसेस गिवन बाय द हेड ऑफ द नेशन एंड द करेंट गवर्नमेंट। बट फॉर मी इट इज लाइक मैं जिस प्रोफेशन में हूँ वहाँ पे मेरे को लगता है कि हिंदुस्तान में आज के दिन में रोटी कपड़ा मकान ही शॉर्टेज नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी शॉर्टेज है वो है कैपिटल की। एंड द बैंक्स, द अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस, उनके पास वो रॉ मटेरियल उतना नहीं है जितनी ज़रूरत है। सो देयर इज़ अ वेरी वेरी बिग मिसमैच, जो मिसमैच दूसरे बड़े लार्ज नेशंस में नहीं है। एंड फॉर मी, आई सॉ इट वेरी अर्ली दैट इफ़ आई एम एबल टू सर्व दिस इंडस्ट्री with the full potential, बहुत जल्दी we can do very very good in this sector where we are.
विक्रम जी, very interesting point you've raised up. Concept of capital, the absence of capital. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि what is wrong with our startups? Where do they falter to monetize? Is my basic question after hearing what you've said.
So मैं हमेशा एक बात बोलता हूँ that इंडिया में roughly there are 1,80,000 startups as per registration which has happened, और 6.3 crores MSME registered है।
6.3 crores is the MSME registered.
Right. And you see the figures are so big that you really have to, go deep in it to understand how they are sustaining, because it's a very big number. So coming to your question, startup have to think like they will become very, very large someday, and they don't have to, they are not here only to chase capital or chase, success.
And there have been some, sorry I'm interrupting you, there have been some startling achievements by startups who've done brilliant.
Absolutely. आज if you see, अभी हमारे यहाँ recently जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ, I think major contribution in counter attack was by some of the leading startups जिनके नाम पब्लिक डोमेन में लोग लेते भी नहीं है बिकॉज उनको पता नहीं है। That's a big role they have played. और मेरा ये मानना है कि if our country has to achieve, suppose say 7,000-8,000 rupees dollar per capita income going forward, और ये तभी possible है when these startups work with a purpose, try to solve the larger aspects बिकॉज आज के दिन में इंडिया में सिर्फ ब्रेन ड्रेन नहीं हो रहा है, पहले बहुत ज्यादा होता था, आज कैपिटल ड्रेन भी हो रहा है. सो इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू क्रिएट द इकोसिस्टम, राइट इकोसिस्टम, वी विल नॉट अट्रैक्ट रिवर्स ब्रेन ड्रेन एंड रिवर्स कैपिटल inflow in this country.
Yeah, absolutely right. You've said so brilliantly, because see, the paradigm shift which is happening up is earlier. I've done my master's in history from St. Stephen's College, and over a period of time, always in our college times, they used to say that it's always the socio-economic health of the country, and a lot has been said about the socio and also the economic degeneration of. But then the country has a capacity. एक शेर है इकबाल साहब का कि कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़मा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. दिस कंट्री हैज गॉट एन अमेजिंग कैपेसिटी टू बाउंस बैक. सोना गिरवी रख दिया था, कोई बात, वापस आ गया. एंड टुडे वी आर स्ट्राइविंग टू बी द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी इन द वर्ल्ड. बिफोर 2047 इज गोइंग टू हैपन द वे थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन, प्रोवाइडेड you may have a great roadmap, but if you are not practical कि आज कितना cash flow कितना अच्छा है, brings me back to the equity.
I recently read a very good article and I deep dived further in it. So हमारे देश में, as I told about so many startups, we have more than 1,000 companies which are not listed in this country and which are having a net profit of more than 100 crores. So आप ये देखो कि हमारी जो capital market है, that is more than, we have crossed 4 trillion mark. So there are so many companies which are going to get listed in this ecosystem, and our SEBI chairman has recently said also that we are prepared to get listed 500 companies every year. So imagine the kind of growth this country will fetch, and this growth can only happen with a larger participation from even the smallest member from a district town, from the kasbas, from the villages of this country. अगर वो अपना पैसा पार्टिसिपेट करवाते हैं इकोसिस्टम में, तो हमारे यहाँ कैपिटल की शॉर्टेज खत्म हो जाएगी.
मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये था, जो आपने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली है, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. See, small MSME accounts for about nearly 40% of the total industrial output. My question to you: how do we bring the unorganized sector into the mainstream through finance?
I think you see, recently we have, if you see last 3-4 years, there were tremendous reforms which has happened, and this reforms, I can tell you that recently the GST reforms which has happened, where the major impact from the 18% criteria to 5% has come. This will create huge space in this ecosystem. Plus हमारी income tax law में भी recently बहुत changes आए हैं, जहाँ पे up to 12 lakhs you need not pay any taxes. So lot more people will come in the domain of filing returns. In a country of 140 crores, we hardly file. There are 7 crores roughly people who file returns, including everyone.
It's a very important message that you should file your returns, because that will be your contribution towards nation building.
Right. And I feel that we as a individual, we as a committed people in the society, we should now gradually come out from achieving self goals. हम gold खरीदते हैं, हम दूसरे assets खरीदते हैं. Please put this money in the ecosystem. आप gold, सोना खरीद के घर में मत रखिए, उसको पार्टिसिपेट करवाइए इकोसिस्टम में, so that our national wealth goes high, our per capita GDP also goes high. So I think that is a very important point.
You have talked about GDP. I'm not an authority on taxes, but little common knowledge says that the gross domestic product basically is calculated upon the tax money. In a country where you are, there is so much amount of people who are in the unorganized sector, अगर वो tax pay करते हैं और उसके ऊपर GDP calculate होती है. What is your take on this?
I think that is happening year on year, but we are very slow in terms of making that happen, because awareness बहुत ज़्यादा कम है, और हमारे यहाँ participation बहुत ज़्यादा salaried class लोगों के ऊपर है. So being a 6.5 crore roughly MSMEs, I think more and more businessmen, smaller businessmen should come and file their returns. Not only they even each of their ecosystem partners should come and participate, because आप returns नहीं file करेंगे अपने, you are not participating in the growth story. And in a country of more than 100 crores population, I think the figure of 7-8% is nothing. It is just we have just started. The question is not that we will reach to that space. The question is about how fast we reach, because we are not targeting as a third largest economy. Recently, just a couple of days back, ENY report has said that we have the capacity to become the second largest economy. And the time is coming when our share in the global GDP should be more than 20%. We used to be 27% a few hundred years ago, just when the British came in our country. So I think the time has come when we should, again bring ourselves to the forefront and show that this is a country with the most youngest population in the world, and we are in the right direction.
Vikram, that's a very interesting point which is posted out. My next question to you is that since you talked about the building of the ecosystem which is coming in, how does platforms like MASA, who are dedicated to MSME and startup acceleration, having government connects, putting a platform which is talking about policy advocacy, NSIC partnership, awareness workshops, regulatory support. So in gamut, to achieve that ecosystem, what is the power of creating the awareness? Because हम उस narrative के पास चले जाते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं, बेसिक से अपना दिमाग हटा लेते हैं
So
कि काम कीजिए और टैक्स दीजिए, आपकी पूरी ओवरऑल जीडीपी बढ़ के बाहर आ जाएगी. उस अवेयरनेस के लिए क्या करें?
मेरा
And to convert it, workshops are fine. But एक फिजिक्स में एक डेफिनेशन है, वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. एक फिजिक्स का फंडा अप्लाई करिए, कोशिश कीजिए आप अपने दैनिक कार्य में. तो मेरी अपनी जो समझ में आई है इस अल्प बुद्धि में, कि अगर फिजिक्स की वो डेफिनेशन है, यू वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स, यू मे हैव द ग्रेट फोर्स, बातें, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू जीरो, इनटू जीरो इज वर्क इज इक्वल टू जीरो. If you have the displacement capacity, you don't have a force. How do you balance such a scenario?
So it's a very good question, and I would love to answer this. That इंसान को, हर बिजनेसमैन को ये पता होना चाहिए कि क्या गलतियां वो कर सकता है. And MASA as a forum can give you a platform where there are experienced people with lot of clarity. Generally, clarity and experience comes with age. So you will find a lot of senior people here who are carrying these raw materials of clarity and experience. ये आपके पास अगर आ जाता है ना, so the youngsters who have joined MASA, they will not make mistakes, or rather they'll make very, very less mistakes.
Well, I would like to add up here that there are three kinds of people. One who learn from other people's mistake. Second kind of people are people who make mistakes and learn from them. And third people keep making mistakes and don't learn from them. My question to you is, how do you milk your misfortunes?
Absolutely. And I think the most dangerous part is that are those people who do not know that they do not know. So I think MASA can help them to know that they do not know, and help them to empower themselves with regard to the right direction. Direction is very, very important. हम आज अपने बच्चों को अच्छा direction दे पाते हैं.
Roadmap. What he talks about is a roadmap. The Prime Minister has given us a roadmap. आज अगर हम ही नहीं roadmap अपना clarity रखेंगे तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे? फिर आप कहते साहब ये बिगड़ गए, Gen Z हो गया, Gen Y हो गया, क्या यार ये सब?
Right.
आप अपना समय दीजिए. If the theory of time is equal to money, give quality time to your children, but talk to them. आप फिर कैसे कहेंगे? अब मैं ही अपने बच्चों को समय नहीं दूँ, how do I expect that they stay together? And you are raping the West. So anyways, so I think with the positive sign, and we'll keep on having continuous dialogue, because there's an ocean of experience which is there, and it's very difficult to sum it up in 15 minutes. But thank you very much.
A great opportunity to be here, and my only message to all the members who are associated with MASA and who would be looking forward to associate with MASA is that there are right people here who can help you with the right direction, with right clarity, and actually they will help you to make it big with less of mistakes. I think the rest is all on your own hard work and clarity. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's our proud privilege, and also I think ab NASA ke baad MASA.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for joining us, and this is really enlightening, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So stay tuned, and you're watching My Power Brand.